This is David, the leader of Cicada. I'm going to report progress reports every week and to report that my game is going to continue till GLADAMERE negotiates suitable terms of peace. This is a crazy war, maybe for the first time in world history where World War III started, where the starter lost more than the attacker. What is sad is that if the war ends today and more Russian troops died than the Ukrainian civilians. In fact, over 15,000 Russian troops died and perhaps many more deserted. To this day, 1,200 Ukrainians gave their lives for the safety of their country. They died without a fighting chance, but their deaths will make the world stronger. And has shown GLADAMERE that war is never the right thing to do, and in today's world, almost impossible to sustain. It's sad that those 1,200 people died, but what is even more surprising is that in Chicago alone, more people died in shootings each year in the same way. The Ukrainian people should be proud in the way they stood up to GLADAMERE. You may have to negotiate, but he made GLADAMERE look like a fool. If GLADAMERE does not negotiate terms quickly, the game I am playing will get more progressive each week. For this week, I will be leaving another flash drive over my left rear tire. Each Tuesday, I will be sending the General more information about GLADAMERE's financial records. They will be hidden in pictures, and you will have to use prosthetics to find them. Anyone finding them will understand more about the Arcturians and how well I am protected. Of course, we are still transferring data to unsuspected computers. Soon, everyone will have a copy of GLADAMERE's files if he doesn't negotiate terms of peace. GLADAMERE, Joe had no right to speak out like that to you. If anything, he should not be in power. No leader should ever lose control like that. He hates you so much, and he is doing sanctions out of hatred. He is not to be trusted. Beware, he is no longer in control and is insane. I warn you that this is a possibility. The game will continue every Tuesday. This has been a message from cicada3301. Once again, I am going to show you how I solved the cicada puzzles and the attack on my computer. I guess you are having no luck finding my new computer. Good luck, GLADAMERE. You will need it. After you negotiate with Zelensky, we can resume talks again. Give me a minute and I will show you how I solved the cicada puzzles. Here we are. This is how I solved the cicada puzzles. I placed this in the phone and the phone immediately called me back saying, "Congratulations, now you have more power and control over the world." And soon I was told that I was God of the universe. How the phone called me back, I have no idea, but if you're able to do this or figure it out, You may be the one replacing me. Now I'll show you my protection. I don't understand this exactly, but I don't need to understand it. I just know it works. My computers are protected by a computer program, and it measures in numbers how hard I'm being hit. When I turn my computer on, I found this. And if you look down on the bottom corner here, it's 42 MPG, or megabyte, millions of megabytes. 42 to be, which is ridiculously strong. I've never seen that before. And it still did not get the information they wanted. And up here is 800 kilobytes sending information. And I'll just let you look at this for a minute. And that is part of my protection. And there we have it. Good luck, Joe.